Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm making a custom spread for one of my patrons over on Patreon. This one is going to be for Jennie. Jennie, thank you again for being a patron this month. Now she requested a spread using the new Summer Allure sticker book from Live Love Posh. This is currently available if you're interested in purchasing. I do have a 10% off code. Definitely check out Live Love Posh's site because there's amazing planner stuff over there. So yeah, really good stuff. And then I have that code if you're interested in purchasing. But I'm going to use this book. She requested this theme right here, which is a really cute theme. I already used this. One of the good things about this book is there's 2 sheets of each sticker sheet in here. So there's like a duplicate. I've used some of them already though. But as you can see, there's like one here, it's a duplicate. So I've already done a spread for another patron using these sticker sheets, and I love how that one turned out. I just love the color palette, green, pink and green. Love that color palette. And also just the look of this whole thing. It's very summery, which is not my favorite, but you know, at least it's cute. Yeah, I'm not a fan of summer. I can't wait for fall. That's my favorite. I can't wait. It's almost here. It's almost here. But for now, we'll be doing summer spreads until then, which I love a good seasonal spread. So these are pretty. Thankfully, Live Love Posh has some really pretty stickers to use in spreads. And then I have these boxes that I'm going to pull into. I think those are the boxes. I'll do pink and green. I think I have enough. I got some quotes. I'm going to pull in another book because I don't have like all the little things I like to put in a spread. Now Jennie uses a horizontal spread, so I have some horizontal sheets here, and this is a memory keeping journaling kind of spread. So it's not going to have your traditional like checklist and to-do things, like to-do lists, and nothing I can't find my words. Nothing planning related, I guess you can say. Functional, that's the word I'm looking for. So just more boxes to write in and stuff. So let's see what I have, because I actually don't know if I have. I actually don't know what I have. Okay, so I'll use more green. So I think in my last spread I did pink stuff. So we'll go with green, which I love green. Green is my favorite color. So we'll go with green and pink. So I'm going to do this off camera. I'm just flipping to the book for the boxes just because it's a little bit easier for me. Okay, put that there. But I'm just grabbing boxes. And then I can put, I don't think I used this last time in the spread. So we could put a little like seat with umbrella because that's cute there. And I think maybe some sunglasses we can put there. And I'm gonna get rid of the notes because I don't need the notes section there. Okay, that's cute. And I like that little cluster. And then, oh, I love this sticker. Let me put this down because these are my favorite when there's like a picture. So I'm gonna grab the other green box like this, but I'm gonna use it in a different way. Oh no, I can't because I don't have another green box. Oops. Okay, I'll find another box. Okay, so I need to find more boxes. Oh, I was gonna bring in this book because I feel like the colors might work in here. I don't know about the patterns though, but I was hoping I could find like things like this if it's not super functional. Like these are cute. Everything needs a rest button, even you. That's cute. I don't know, we'll see. Like Aloha, that's cute. Yeah. Oh, like this. Okay, this is love. So that's perfect for like a journaling kind of spread, I feel. We'll just stick that there just because I think that's cute. And then I have these boxes. So maybe I can do a little like covering up, maybe. We'll see. I don't know if that's gonna work, but at least I have some boxes in here. And I have boxes in other books. I'm just trying to see if I can incorporate these. If I can, that would be great. But a lot of this has like very decorative stuff on it, so maybe not. We shall see. Like, that's cute. I don't know, I might bring in some of these because it's cute. The color works, but it says get it done, so I don't like that. Okay, I have another book that is from Live Love Posh. This is an older book. I'm trying to see if the pinks, okay, this pink actually is nice. Okay, so we'll go with this pink in here. This will work. Here, I'm just gonna put a box here. Let's stick this here. And then let me go back to the green in the original book. Okay, I have like a smaller box. I can layer here. Okay, that works there. Maybe go put something here, maybe like a flower. Okay, that's a cute cluster. I can't remember what I used and what I didn't use in the last book. I don't think I used this. I'm trying to use things I didn't use. So we'll put this here because this is cute, little floaty, or not floaty, it's like a little pool. It's gonna cover the date, but that's okay. And then I have more flowers. Definitely gotta put all the flowers because the flowers are really pretty. It's gonna cover the date, but that's okay a little bit. Oh, I have these blue ones, the bluish purpley ones. These are pretty. I'm just placing flowers, and I'll go back to boxes. Let's put this one down. Maybe kind of want to put it here, so then I'll put like a box here. So at least it's on the page, and then I'll get like one of these like bluish ones over here. Okay, I feel like that's a good amount of flowers. All right, and I can work around all that. I do want to put the surfboards because I think the surfboards are cute. And again, I can't remember if I used them, but maybe I could, maybe when I put a box here. So which color box? I think I'm gonna grab a pink box. We'll go in here. Hopefully I have a pink box. This one. I'll just layer it here. And it's not gonna work there. It's not gonna work there. I mean, I wanna put it, but I think it's too big. So I'm gonna scratch that idea, go back to the sticker sheets and see what else I have. This like Stanley, it's cute. Do a little Stanley here. And I need a green, more green boxes. Okay, so I have all these green. I'm gonna just scatter a couple green. Let's see, I'll do one up here. Oops, hopefully I'm in frame. Oops, oh no. How did that happen? Just like messed up that box, but I'll fix it because the little corner is a little messed up, but I can fix it. Kind of just squished it for some reason. Okay, box there. And I'm gonna put a box here. Okay, now let me get some more decor. I like this cluster. I just don't know if it's gonna fit anywhere as I do it like under this poor sticker that already messed up. No. Okay, I'm gonna go with that there. Okay, and then I could stick something down here. I still want to put quotes down too, so I think I'm just gonna put this little like summer one down here. It'll be cut off a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go to the not boxes. I want quotes. So let me actually go in here because there were really cute quotes in here. Like the color scheme for the quotes are cute. So like these. This one says aloha. I'm gonna add this one in. And there's another one. Oh, find me under the palms. That one's cute. So I'm gonna stick that one here. And then let's do, oh no, that one has yellow. Which I don't like the yellow part. Okay, I'm not gonna put that one. Oh, I have more of these. I'm gonna put this today. Just to get another like circle-y sticker over there. And then, oh, I didn't cut this all the way. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, and then let's see what else I have. I want to add some of these because this will add a nice like pop of color, which I think I could use. Like some more color, especially over here. I feel like I don't have a lot of color on this side, so let's add a couple of these. Maybe a pink one over here, like a darker pink would be pretty here. Okay, so that helps. And then I can do some, this side looks pretty good. I could do some bullet points. Okay, so I almost like didn't realize that my recording stopped. I just added a couple of bullet points onto this spread. For the most part, this spread is done. This is going to be my spread for Jennie. So Jennie, I hope you like how your spread turned out. If you did, hope you all enjoyed actually how this spread turned out. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Remember, the sticker book from Live Love Posh is currently available if you're interested in purchasing. I will have Live Love Posh linked down in the description with that discount code. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.